All right, guys, Bullet Kid here with Bullet's Garage. We are in the BMW M5. We just did some pulls and checking the logs. Everything looks good with the 640 horsepower beast. We are out here. Tell them where we are.
We're at the Bays warehouse from Chicago Auto Pros to wash this baby and put it away for the winter.
So it's going to storage. We're out here in, what is this, Wheeling?
Wheeling.
We're out here in Wheeling. New location. If you guys follow Chicago Auto Pros, they have a huge channel. They do everything from window tint, ceramic coating, detailing your car, and PPF all over the car. And they just opened up this location not too long ago. It has internal bays where you can pretty much make an appointment, go wash your car, right?
Yep.
It's cool. It's like an indoor car wash by appointment. So during the season, they saw an opportunity where a lot of people want to wash their vehicles themselves, right? Because you don't trust car washes and all
in
that.
The winter months especially.
Exactly. We live in the Midwest, so it's nice to go in a shop, have the garage doors closed where it's warm, you wash the car. So yeah, we're waiting for the doors to open, and I'll walk you through the area. We're gonna wash this puppy up and yeah, get her going for winter.
The great thing is, you know, they offer you a free service. So anytime you book your first time appointment, the first hour is free, and then the second hour it's $27 per additional hour that you go for like washing and drying your stuff. So it's pretty damn cheap. A regular car wash that you pay for nowadays is easily 30 bucks. Then you give a tip. It's not cheap. And here they provide you the high-end pressure washers. You have a lit up bay. They give you the buckets. You have access to warm water. So you just bring your basic washing things that you use, soap, and you get it knocked out.
And if you forget your stuff, don't worry. They have a store where you can purchase all the supplies that you need. We got some wheels for an Audi. We got a Bentley here doing some kind of modification, some tint. All right, we just finished. That was 2 hours in already. 1 hour for the wash, 1 hour for the drying and whatever else you want to do, vacuuming. And we are all set. What is your feedback and the experience from the visit? I'm impressed. I thought the videos that I saw was at the other location, so I was expecting a different layout, but overall it was still a great experience. We had everything we needed there. Enough time, 2 hours to do a good wash with 2 people is more than enough, and yeah, it was pretty sweet. Yeah, I guess they have multiple locations. I think 2 service spots are like completely full service, right? They detail you like tin, ceramic things. And then 2 locations, I believe, are like the self-service wash and clean your own car, which I think they're expanding because he said they're doing some tinting and stuff on the little locations as well. Overall, pretty cool experience, in and out. You break a sweat.
Definitely.
But it's pretty cool for those people that are anal about their cars, right? They want to do things themselves. You don't want to take it to a self-service car wash that runs through like 300 cars plus. So this is definitely an option for you to kind of clean your own car. You can't blame nobody else about any scratches or mistakes because you probably did them yourself at that point. And yeah, this puppy's gonna get stored away till next season. That's it. Check them out if you guys are interested. And no sponsored video here, but pretty cool. And Chicago Auto Pros is pretty big out there. They're expanding quite good, so I'm proud of the guy, because I remember we started watching his YouTube channel like 25,000 subscribers, and this guy's like way in the probably 200s plus now, so good job. All right, we're back in the garage. We just tanked up some 93 octane with some fuel stabilizer in the gas tank. Stable. It's getting stored away for the winter here, so we got this guy looking for the race ramps that we put the vehicle on. Race ramps, if you're not familiar with them, if you're prolonging vehicle storage, you don't want the tires to be sitting on the ground for a long time, because soft compound tires such as sport tires, high performance summer tires, they'll end up getting a flat spot on them. So the race ramps, as I'll show you in a little bit, are actually curved ramps that the car parks on, so you avoid any flat spots on your expensive wheel setups when you're storing vehicles for the summer or for the winter. So these are the race ramps, as you can see, nice and curved. Want them here? So roughly we want them here. Just pull forward. Straight, keep it straight forward. A little bit. Yeah, that's plenty. Keep pulling back. Stop. Okay, hold on, right there. Don't spin it. You gotta keep going though. Don't. More speed, man. More. Up with some more speed. Woo! Hold on. I think this one slid back. Yeah. Alright, you want to try it? Okay. Perfect. Front looks pretty good here. Maybe. Come on in. Race ramps, link in the description below if you're interested. And that's a good night. See you till next year.